Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. In this video, I have compiled all my videos of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths into one video. Hope it will be useful for you. Let us go through. Here, radii of three circles are given. We have to find the circumference of these circles. Now, what is a circumference? It is the length of the boundary. And if we know the radius of a circle, then the formula for finding its circumference is 2 into pi into r. That is 2 pi r. If you want to know how we get this formula, I have uploaded one video regarding the circumference of a circle. You can go through that. Now let us do one by one. Here radius is 14 centimeter. We have to find circumference. So let us write given radius r equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, circumference C equal to 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into, here pi is given 22 by 7. That is 22 divided by 7 into r is 14 centimeter. Here we can cancel 7 and 14. 2 7s are 40. That is equal to 2 into 22 into 2 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into 22, that is 44 into 2 centimeter, that is equal to 88 centimeter. So the circumference of this circle is 88 centimeter. Now let us go to the B part. Here radius equal to 28 millimeter. Therefore, circumference equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 28 millimeter. We can cancel 7 and 28. Here we get 4. So this becomes 2 into 22 into 4 millimeter. That is equal to 2 into 22, it is 44 into 4 millimeter. That is equal to, that is 44 multiplied by 4. That is equal to 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17. That is 44 into 4, that is 176 millimeter. So circumference of a circle with radius 28 millimeter is 176 millimeter. Now let us go to the C part. Here radius is 21 centimeter. Therefore, circumference equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21 centimeter. Here you can see 7 and 21. You can get this in the table of 7. So we can cancel this by 7. So here we get 3. That is equal to 2 into 22 into 3 centimeter, that is equal to 222, that is 44 into 3 centimeter, that is equal to 3 fours are 12, again 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So here the circumference of this circle is 132 centimeter. That is, if we know the radius of a circle, then using the formula C equal to 2 pi r, we can find its circumference. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Here the question is, find the area of the following circles. That is, for finding the area of circles, here in the first and last part, radii of these circles are given. Radii means plural of radius. And in the second part, diameter of the circle is given. Now, what is area? Area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. And we know if radius of a circle is given, we can find its area by using the formula pi r square. But if diameter is given, how to find the area? We know diameter is twice the radius. So here we have to divide the diameter by 2 for getting the radius. After that, we can use the same formula pi r square for finding the area of the circle. If you get time, please go through the video that I have uploaded regarding how we get the formula pi r square. Now let us start solving. Here, for finding the area of this circle, radius is given, that is 14 millimeter. So let us write radius of the circle equal to 14 millimeter. Therefore, area of the circle equal to, we know the formula, it is pi r square, that is equal to, we can write this as pi into r, that is r square is r into r. Now we can substitute the values, that is equal to, pi is 22 by 7, so write 22 by 7 into r is 14 mm. So 14 mm into 14 mm. Here 7 divided by 7, it is 1. 14 divided by 7, it is 2. So we can write, it is 22 into 2 mm into 14 mm. That is equal to, here let us multiply 22 with the 2. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. So 44 millimeter into 14 millimeter. Now we have to multiply 44 and 14. 44 and 14. That is, here we get 44 into 14 equal to 616. That much millimeter into millimeter, that is millimeter square. This is the area of this circle, that is circle with radius 14 millimeter. Now let us go to the B part. Here diameter of the circle is given. So for finding the area, first we have to divide diameter by 2. given diameter equal to 49 meter. So we can get radius equal to diameter divided by 2, that is equal to 49 meter divided by 2. That is equal to, when we divide 49 by 2, we get it as 24.5 meter. Therefore, area of the circle equal to, formula is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r into r. Now we can substitute the values. That is equal to, for pi we can write 22 by 7 into, here for this radius you can write 24.5, but here I am writing this only, 49 divided by 2. 49 divided by 2 meter into 49 divided by 2 meter. Now we can divide 7 and 49 by 7, that is 7 divided by 7. This one, 49 divided by 7, it is 7. Now we can divide 2 and 22 by 2. So 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 22 divided by 2, it is 11. So this becomes 11 into 7 meter into 49 by 2. For 49 by 2, now I am writing 24.5, that is 24.5 meter. That is equal to 11 into 7, that is 77 meter into 24.5 meter. Now let us multiply 245 into 77. It will be the same only. Here we get the product as 18865, and here this is a decimal number. After the decimal there is one digit here. So in the product also we have to put the decimal. So from the right, after one digit we have to put the decimal. That is, we have to put the decimal here. So this becomes 1886.5 meter into meter, that is meter square. This is the area of this circle. Let us go to the C part. Here, radius of the circle is given. It is 5 centimeter. Therefore, area of the circle equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 5 are 25 centimeter square. Now let us multiply 25 and 22. This is equal to 550 divided by 7 centimeter square. Here we can keep this as it is, or if you want to divide, we can divide 550 by 7. 7 8s are 56, but here it is 55 only. So 7 7s are 49. When we subtract, we get 6 here, then bring down 0. Now 7 8s are 56. Subtract, here it will be 4. Next, put a point here, then 0. Here also put a point, then bring down 0. In 40, it will be 7 5s are 35. Here we get 5. Next, bring down 0 here, then 7 7s are 49. Remainder is 1. So this becomes 78.57 centimeter square. This is the area of this circle with radius 5 centimeter. So if radius of a circle is known, we can find its area by using the formula pi r square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Here the question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Here you can see a circular sheet. First we have to find the radius of this circular sheet. After that, area. Here you can see two terms, that is circumference and area. What is the difference between circumference and area? Circumference means the length of the boundary only. But in area, we have to consider the inner portion also. And formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r square. So for getting the area, we need radius here. Here, perimeter of this circular sheet is given, that is P, that is equal, perimeter is 2 pi r, that is equal to 154 meter. From this we can find the radius. After that we can find the area. So first let us find the radius of this circular sheet. Always draw the rough sketch of the figure. And first write what are given here. Here it is given perimeter of the circular sheet equal to 154 meter. Here write the formula for perimeter, that is 2 pi r equal to 154 meter. Now we can put the values. 2 into 4 pi, it is 22/7, into r, that is radius that we have to find out. So write as it is, that is equal to 154 meter. Now we have to get r along here. So we have to take 22/7 and 2 from LHS to RHS. This is LHS and this is RHS. So we can write R equal to, first write 154 meter. Then since 7 is in the denominator, when we take 7 to the right hand side, it will be in the numerator, that is 154 meter into 7. Then 2 and 22 are in the numerator, so it will be in the denominator here, divided by 2 into 22. Or you can use another formula, that is we know 2 pi r equal to, that is perimeter P. Then for finding r equal to perimeter divided by 2 pi. And here if we substitute the values, this will be equal to, here the perimeter is 154 meter, then divided by 2 into pi is 22 by 7. That is equal to 154 meter divided by 2. Now, since 22 by 7, it is a fraction in the denominator, we have to take the reciprocal of this. That is, reciprocal of 22 by 7 is 7 by 22. And here you multiply with that. That is 7 divided by 22. That is, here what we get, 154 meter into 7 divided by 2 into 22. The same only we are getting. Here I am dividing 2 and 154 by 2. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Here, since 1 is less than 2, take 5 with 1, that is 15. So here we get 7 2s are 14. So this is 15 and 7 2s are 14. So here we get the remainder 1. So write 1 here and write the next digit with this one, that is 14. Now the dividend is 14. When we divide this 14 by 2, we get 7 here. So this becomes 77 meter into 7 divided by 22. Now we can divide 22 and 77 by 11. That is 22 divided by 11, it is 2. 77 divided by 11, it is 7. So this becomes 7 meter into 7 divided by 2. That is equal to 7 sevens are 49 divided by 2 meter. That is equal to, when we divide 49 by 2, we can divide by 2, that is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Here 4 divided by 2, it is 2. 9 divided by 2, 4 times, that is we get 4 here and remainder 1. Next, there is no digits here, so put a 0 here. Before that you have to put a decimal here. Now the dividend is 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. So this is equal to 24.5 meter. That is, radius of this circular sheet is 24.5 meter. Next, we have to find the area of this circular sheet. First, let us write the formula. Area of the circular sheet equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into r. Here we got it as 24.5, or you can write 49 by 2 also. Here I am writing 49 by 2 meter into 49 by 2 meter, because it will be bit easy to do simplification. This is equal to, here we can cancel 7 and 49. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 sevens are 49. Here also 2 and 22, we can divide both by 2, that is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 22 divided by 2, it is 11. So this becomes 11 into 7 meter into 49 divided by 2 meter. Here for 49 by 2 you can write 24.5 as we have done in the second question. But here I am going to multiply 11, 7 and 49. Then we will divide this product by 2. Now 11 into 7, that is 77 meter into 49 meter divided by 2. Now let us multiply 77 and 49. 7 nines are 63. Again 7 nines are 63 plus 6, 69. 4 sevens are 28. Again 28 plus 2, 30. Adding 3, 9 plus 8, 17. 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3. So we get 3773 divided by 2 meter square. Now we have to divide 3773 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2. When we subtract, we get 1 here, then bring down this 7. Now it is 17, so 2 eights are 16. Again we get 1, bring down 7. Again here we get 8. Again 16. Again 1, bring down 3. 6 twos are 12. Again when we subtract, we get 1. Now there is no digit to bring down, so put a point. After that put a 0. Here also you have to put a point. Now bring down 0. Now it is 10, so 5 twos are 10. Now the remainder is 0. So this is equal to 1886.5, that is 1886.5 meters square. This is the area of this circular sheet. That is, here we have found the radius and area of this circular sheet. Hope it is clear to you, and I have uploaded videos regarding area and circumference of a circle. If you go through those videos, it will be useful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs ₹4 per meter. Here you can see a circular garden and its diameter is 21 meter. The gardener wants to fence this circular garden with a rope, and we have to find the length of this rope that he needs to purchase. So here what we have to find out? Perimeter or area of this garden. Here since it is a fencing, we need the boundary length only. That means we need to find the perimeter. And since this is a circular garden, instead of this perimeter, we use the term circumference. Now, the length of the rope needed for 1 round of fencing, it is nothing but the circumference of this garden. But the gardener wants to make 2 rounds of fencing. So here, the required length of the rope will be twice the circumference. So let us first find the circumference of this garden. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? Do you remember the first question? Here, radii of these circles are given and we use the formula 2 pi r for finding the circumference. So let me write the formula, that is 2 pi r. Here r is the radius. So here we have to get the radius of this garden. But here diameter of this garden is given. And for getting the radius, we have to divide this diameter by 2. After getting radius, we can use this formula for finding the circumference. But here, 2 pi r means 2 into pi into r. Let me rewrite this as this is equal to pi into 2 into r. Both are same. And what about 2 into r? It is twice the radius. That means twice the radius is diameter. So here we can write pi into 2 into r becomes pi into 2 into r is diameter. That is d. That is equal to pi d. So here for finding the circumference of this garden, no need to find the radius. You can use the diameter itself. So if diameter of a circle is given, then using the formula C equal to pi d, you can find its circumference. Now let us find the circumference of this garden. Diameter of the circular garden equal to 21 meter. Now length of the rope needed for one round of fence equal to this nothing but the circumference of this garden. That is equal to the formula is pi d, that is equal to pi is 22 by 7 into d is 21 meter. Here we can cancel 7 and 21, that is 7 divided by 7. This one 21 divided by 7 is 3. So this becomes 22 into 3 meter, that is equal to 66 meter. This is the length of the rope needed for one round of fence. But here the gardener wants to make 2 rounds of fence. Therefore, length of the rope needed for 2 rounds of fence. Or you can write the required length of the rope like that also. This will be equal to twice this length, that is 2 into 66 meter, that is equal to 132 meter. Next we have to find the cost of this rope. It is given cost of the rope per meter is rupees 4. That is cost of the rope for 1 meter, it is 4 rupees. Here we have to find the cost for 132 meter rope. For that we have to multiply 132 with 4. So let us do. Cost of the rope per meter equal to rupees 4. Therefore, total cost of the rope equal to, here total length is 132 meter. So, total cost will be 132 into 4 rupees. That is equal to 528 rupees. That is total cost of the rope is 528 rupees. So here required length of the rope is 132 meter, and total cost of the rope is 528 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. First, let me read the question. That is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Here you can see this is a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. From this sheet, we have to remove a circle of radius 3 cm. That is, here you can see a circle. This is a circle with radius 3 cm, and we have to remove this from this larger sheet. And when we remove this, you can see this is the shape that we are getting here. This is the remaining sheet, and we have to find the area of this sheet. Once again, how we get this shape? That is, from the circular sheet of 4 cm, when we remove a circular sheet of 3 cm, we get this shape. Here we have to find the area of this portion. And do we have any formula for finding the area of this portion? No. Then how to get the area? Let us go through it in detail. This is a circular sheet of radius 4 cm. And what about this region? It is nothing but the area of this circular sheet. And this region will be the area of the smaller circular sheet, that is, the circle with radius 3 cm. Now, removing the smaller sheet from the larger sheet means removing the area of the smaller sheet from the area of the larger sheet. Now, what about the remaining part here? It is nothing but the remaining area of the larger sheet. That is what we have to find out here, isn't it? So, for getting the area of the remaining sheet, it is enough to subtract the area of the smaller sheet from the area of the larger sheet. For this, first we have to find the areas of both the sheets. And which formula we will use for finding the areas of these sheets? It is pi r square. Now let us do. First we will find the area of the larger circular sheet. Radius of the larger circular sheet is 4 cm. Area of the sheet equal to, formula is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, here pi is given as 3.14, that is 3.14 into radius is 4 cm into 4 cm. That is equal to 3.14 into 4 fours are 16 centimeter square. Now let us multiply 3.14 multiplied by 16. Here you can see, after the decimal there are 2 digits. So in the product we have to put the decimal after 2 digits from the right, that is 1, 2, like this. Here we have to put the decimal. So area of the larger circular sheet is 50.24 centimeter square. Next we will find the area of the smaller circular sheet. Here radius is 3 centimeter Therefore, area of the smaller circular sheet equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to 3.14 into 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter. That is equal to 3.14 into 3 3s are 9 centimeter square. Now let us multiply 3.14 into 9. Here we get 2826, and here also there are 2 digits after the decimal, so decimal comes here. That is area of the smaller circular sheet is 28.26 centimeter square. Here we got both the areas. Next we will find the area of the remaining sheet. Therefore, area of the remaining sheet equal to area of the larger circular sheet minus area of the smaller circular sheet. That is equal to, what is the area of the larger circular sheet? It is 50.24 centimeter square. That is 50.24 centimeter square minus area of the smaller circular sheet is 28.26 centimeter square. 28.26 centimeter square. Now let us subtract 50.24 minus 28.26. Here we have to keep the decimals one below the other. That is, you have to write like this. Here, since 4 is less than 6, we have to borrow from here. That is, this becomes 1 and here it will be 14. 14 minus 6, that is 8. Now here it is 1 and here it is 2. So we have to borrow from here, but here it is 0. So go to 5. Here this will be 4 and this becomes 10. Again this becomes 9 and this becomes 11. So 11 minus 2, it is 9. Now 9 minus 8, it is 1. 4 minus 2, it is 2. So here this is equal to 21.98 centimeter square. That is, area of the remaining circular sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Or you can do like this also. Area of the remaining sheet, that is equal to area of the larger sheet minus area of the smaller sheet. The formula for finding the area is pi r square. So for the area of the larger sheet, write pi r square. Here you denote the radius of the larger sheet by capital R, that is R equal to 4 centimeter. And for the radius of the smaller sheet, you denote it by small r, that is equal to 3 centimeter. So this is the area for the larger sheet and this is for smaller sheet. So in both the terms you can see pi is common. So you can take pi outside and inside the bracket we get r square minus r square. Now we substitute the values, that is pi is 3.14 and radius of the larger sheet is 4. So it is 4 square and radius of the smaller circular sheet is 3. So here it is 3 square. That is 3.14 into 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9. That is equal to 3.14 into 7. When we multiply, 3.14 and 7 we get 21.98. That is, area of this remaining circular sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. The question is, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover. It is of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs ₹15. Here, first we have to find the length of the lace, then cost of the lace. Here, let us take this as the circular tablecloth on which Saima wants to put the lace, and this is the lace. Here, Saima doesn't want to put the lace in the interior of this cloth. She wants to put the lace only on the edge, like this. So, what will be the length of the lace required here? Do you remember the fourth question of this exercise? Here, how did we find the length of the rope for one round fencing? Since this garden is circular in shape, the length of the rope for one round fencing is equal to the circumference of this garden. In the same way, for finding the length of the lace, it is enough to find the circumference of this table cover. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? Here, since the diameter of this table cover is given, for finding the circumference we use the formula pi d, where d is the diameter. If radius is given, we can use the formula 2 pi r. Now let us solve. First, let us write what are given here. Diameter of the table cover equal to 1.5 meter. Now according to the question we can write length of the lace required, that will be equal to circumference of the table cover, that is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi d or pi into d, that is equal to, here pi is given 3.14, that is 3.14 into diameter is 1.5 meter, that is 1.5 meter. Now let us multiply 3.14 and 1.5. Adding, now we have to put the decimals here. Here, since there are 2 digits after the decimal and here 1 digit after the decimal, so total 3 digits. So from the rightmost digit here, count 1, 2, 3. That is, we have to put the decimal here. So this becomes 4.71 meter. That is, length of the lace required is 4.71 meter. Next we have to find the cost of the lace. Here it is given for 1 meter lace, the cost is ₹15. So we can write cost of the lace per meter or for 1 meter equal to ₹15. That is, for 1 meter lace, the cost is rupees 50. But here, the length of the lace is 4.71 meter. So, for getting the total cost, we have to multiply 4.71 with 15. Therefore, total cost of the lace, that will be equal to 4.71 into 15, that much rupees. Now let us multiply. Adding, that is equal to 7065. Now we have to put the decimals. Here you can see after the decimal there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. So the decimal comes here. So we have to put the decimal here. That much rupees. That is, total cost of the lace is 70.65 rupees. So here we have found the length of the lace required. It is 4.71 meter, and the cost of the lace, it is 70.65 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. Wait, I think the table cover is ready. Let us try it on the table. Oh, it is good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. Here what we have to do? Here we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Now, how to find the perimeter? Here in this figure you can see a semicircle and a diameter. And we have to find the perimeter of this figure. Now, what is perimeter? We know it is the sum of the lengths of the sides of a figure. Or we can say it is the distance covered along the boundary forming a closed figure when we go around the figure once. That is, here you can see this much length we have to find out. That is, for getting the perimeter of this figure, it is enough to add this diameter, that is 10 centimeter, with the length of this semicircle. Now, how to get the length of this semicircle? We know semicircle means half of a circle, isn't? Let us check. For that, first let me duplicate this semicircle, and I am going to keep this semicircle below the previous one like this. Can you see? A circle is formed here. That is, when we joined two semicircles of the same diameter, we got a circle. And what about the diameter of this circle? It is also 10 centimeter only. If you know the diameter of a circle, then what is the formula for finding its circumference? We know if d is the diameter, then circumference of this circle will be pi into d. Doing this, we will get the circumference of this circle. Circumference means this full length, is it? But here we don't need this full length. We need the length of the semicircle only. That is, this much length only. We know semicircle means half of a circle. So for getting the length of the semicircle, it is enough to find the half of the circumference. Here we know circumference of the circle is pi into d. So for getting the length of the semicircle, it is enough to divide this pi into d by 2. And here we will get an answer. And with this answer, if we add the diameter, that is 10 centimeter, we will get the perimeter of this figure. And when you do this, if you want, first you can find the circumference of the circle, and after that, for getting this length of the semicircle, you can divide this circumference by 2. Or you can directly start with length of the semicircle equal to pi d by 2. It is the same as half into pi into d. When we do this, we will get the length of the semicircle, and with this length, when we add the diameter, we will get the required perimeter. Now let us solve. First, let us write what are given here. Diameter equal to 10 centimeter. Circumference of the circle equal to pi d, that is equal to pi into d, that is equal to 3.14 into diameter is 10 centimeter, that is equal to. Now what to do for multiplying a number with 10? First write all the digits of the number as it is, that is 314. Now put the 0 like this. Next we have to put the decimal. We know in 10 there is only one 0 after the digit 1. So in the answer the decimal will be moved one place to the right. So the decimal will be after the digit 1. So here the circumference of the circle is 31.4 centimeter. Now I will tell you another method how to put the decimal here. For multiplying 3.14 with 10, first write the digits 314 and then put the 0 to the right of this number. Next, for putting the decimal, first count the number of places after the decimal. Here we are having 2 places after the decimal. So in the product from the rightmost digit, move 2 places to the left like this. Next we have to find the length of the semicircle. Length of the semicircle equal to, we know it is pi into d divided by 2. Now what is pi into d? It is 31.4. So 31.4 divided by 2. Now let us divide. 31.4 divided by 2. We know 1 2s are 2. Now 3 minus 2, it is 1. Next bring down 1. Now it is 11. So in the table of 2 we get 5 2s are 10. So here 10. When we subtract, again we get 1 here. Next we have to bring down 4. Before that you can see there is a decimal. So in the quotient also after 5 put a decimal. Next bring down 4. Now it is 14. In the table of 2, we know 7 2s are 14. So here we get 14. When we subtract, we get 0. So 31.4 divided by 2, we get it as 15.7 centimeter. This is the length of the semicircle. Next, for getting the perimeter of this figure, we have to add this length with the diameter. Therefore, perimeter of the given figure equal to length of the semicircle plus diameter. That is equal to, we know length of the semicircle is 15.7 centimeter. So 15.7 centimeter plus diameter is 10 centimeter. Next, how to add a decimal number and a whole number. For adding these numbers, we have to convert these to like decimals. For this, you have to count the number of places after the decimal. Here you can see there is only one place after the decimal. So in the number 10 also we have to get one place after the decimal. Now let us add 15.7 and 10.0. That is, here since there is one place after the decimal, here also we have to get one place after the decimal. So write a 0 here. Now 7 plus 0 it is 7, 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, perimeter of the figure that is equal to 25.7 centimeter. Or if you want, you can skip this portion. You can start from here itself. That is length of the semicircle that is equal to half into pi into d, that is equal to half into pi is 3.14 into d is 10 centimeter. That is equal to, here we can cancel 2 and 10, that is 2 ones are 2, 5 2s are 10. So we get 3.14 multiplied by 5 centimeter. Now let us multiply 3.14 and 5. 5 4s are 20. 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 3 5s are 15. So we get 1570. Now there are two places after the decimal. So in the answer from the right, move 2 places to the left. That much centimeter. That is equal to 15.7 centimeter. This is the length of the semicircle. Now for getting the perimeter of the figure, with this you have to add the diameter. So here perimeter of the given figure is 25.7 centimeter. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Here the question is, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. That is, here we have to find the cost of polishing this tabletop. And now how to find the cost? For finding the cost, first what we have to find out? Perimeter or area of this tabletop. Since it is about polishing, that is, polishing means like this. That is, here we have to get this top portion. What about this portion? It is nothing but the area of this tabletop. And what is the formula for finding the area? Since the tabletop is circular in shape, the formula for finding the area is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. Here pi is given, that is 3.14. So 3.14 into, what is r? It is the radius of this tabletop. How to get radius? That is, here diameter is given, it is 1.6 meter. So diameter equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore radius will be half of this, that is 1.6 divided by 2 meter. So here we can write 1.6 by 2 into 1.6 by 2. Doing this, we will get the area of this tabletop. After that, we have to find the cost of polishing. Now, first let us find the area. It is given diameter of the tabletop equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore, radius equal to 1.6 divided by 2 meter, that is equal to, now let us divide 1.6 by 2, that is 1.6. Since 1 is less than 2, here we have to take 2 digits, that is 16. But before 6, there is a decimal. So, here also put the decimal. Now the dividend is 16. So, we know 2 8s are 16. So, you can write 8 here. That is equal to here 16. When we subtract, it is 0. Or we can divide without the decimal also. That is, you write 16. And when we divide 16 by 2, you know it is 8. 2 8s are 16. Here we get the quotient, that is 8. And we have to put the decimal here, that is in 1.6. After the decimal, there is only 1 digit here. So, for putting the decimal in the answer, from the right you have to move 1 place to the left. So, decimal comes here. So, it will be 0.8. That is 1.6 divided by 2. That is 0.8 meter. Now, area of the tabletop equal to, we know the formula, that is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to pi is 3.14 into r. What is radius? You can write 1.6 by 2 or 0.8. Here I am writing 0.8. So, 0.8 meter into 0.8 meter. That is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 0.8 meter into 0.8 meter. How much? 8 8s are 64. So, we can write 64 here. Then, now we need to put the decimal. So, after the decimal, there is 1 digit here, and here also after the decimal 1 digit here. So, total 2 digits. So, from the right, count 1, 2. That is to the left of 6. That is, here we have to put the decimal. Now, meter into meter, it is meter square. That is equal to, now we have to multiply 3.14 and 0.64. For that, write the numbers without decimal and multiply first. 4 4s are 16, and 4s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 3s are 18. When we add 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2. So, here we get 20096. Now, we have to put the decimals. Since there are 2 digits after the decimal, and here also 2 digits after the decimal. So, in total 4 decimal places. That is, from the right, move 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, put the decimal here. That is 2.0096, that much meter square. This is the area of this tabletop. Next, we have to find the cost for polishing this tabletop. So, next write rate of polishing equal to rupees 15 per meter square. That means for 1 meter square area, the cost is rupees 15. Suppose this is the area for which the cost is rupees 15. Then how to get the total cost? That is, we have to get the cost for this total area. For getting the total cost, we have to multiply area with 15. So, total cost for polishing the tabletop equal to area of the tabletop multiplied by cost for 1 meter square area. That is equal to 2.0096 meter square. That is, area is 2.0096. Then we have to multiply this with rupees 15. Now let us multiply 20096 with the 15. That is equal to 301440. Next we have to put the decimal. Here after the decimal there are 4 digits. So from the right we have to move 4 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal here. And here since rupees 15 is for 1 meter square area, so here we can cancel meter square and this meter square. So we get the cost as rupees 30.144. That is, the cost for polishing this tabletop is 30.144 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Chesley took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into a shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? This is the wire of length 44 cm. And Chesley bends this wire into a shape of a circle like this. Here we have to find the radius of this circle, also area. How we can find the radius here? Here, for finding the radius of this circle, we can use the formula C equal to 2 pi r. You know why? Because this is the formula for circumference, and a wire of length 44 cm is bent into a shape of a circle like this. Circumference of this circle will be the same as the length of this wire. So we can write circumference, that is 2 pi r, that will be equal to 44 centimeter. From this we can find the radius of this circle. Next we have to find the area also. Already we know formula for finding the area of a circle. It is pi r square. Doing this we can find the area of this circle. According to the question, Shazli again bends the same wire into a shape of a square like this. Here we have to find the length of each of its sides. Here also, since a wire of length 44 cm is bent into a shape of a square like this, perimeter of this square will be the same as length of this wire. That is, it will be equal to 44 centimeter. Now what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square? It is 4 into length of one side. That is equal to 44 centimeter. From this we can find the length of one side. The last part of this question is to find which figure encloses more area. For finding this, we have to compare the areas of both these figures. Already we have area of the circle. So next we have to find area of this square. And we know formula for finding the area of a square is side into side. After getting this area, when we compare both the areas, that is area of the circle and area of the square, we can find which figure encloses more area. Length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Circumference of the circle equal to, it will be the same as the length of the wire. So this is equal to 44 centimeter. Here now let us write the formula for circumference, that is 2 pi r, that is equal to 44 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into pi is given as 22 by 7. So 22 divided by 7 into r, that we have to find out. So write r as it is, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Now we have to get the value of r. So keep r here itself and we have to move these numbers, that is 22 by 7 and 2 from this side, that is from LHS to RHS. So we can write r equal to 44 centimeter. Then since 7 is in the denominator, when we move 7 from this LHS to RHS, it will be in the numerator. So here it will be 44 centimeter into 7 and 2 and 22 will be in the denominator. That is, here we have to write 2 multiplied by 22. That is equal to, here we can cancel 44 and 2 and 22, or we can multiply 2 and 22 like that also. So I will write once again, that is 44 centimeter into 7 divided by 2 into 22. It is 44. That is equal to, here we can cancel 44 and 44. So here it is 1 centimeter into 7. So we get the radius as 7 centimeter. That is, here we found the radius of the circle. That is equal to 7 centimeter. Next, we have to find the area of the circle. Area of this circle, that is equal to, we know the formula, it is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, pi is here 22 by 7 into r. R is the radius of this circle, that we got it as 7 centimeter. So we can write 7 centimeter into again r, that is 7 centimeter. Here we can cancel this 7 and this 7. So this becomes 22 into 1 centimeter into 7 centimeter. That is equal to 22 into 7. That is equal to 154 centimeter into centimeter. It is centimeter square. That is area of the circle, that is equal to 154 centimeter square. That is, here we have found the radius and area of the circle. Next, we have to find the length of each of the sides of the square. Let us do. Here also, first let us write length of the wire, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Now, perimeter of the square, that is equal to, it will be the same as the length of the wire. So here we can write 44 centimeter. Now let us write the formula for finding the perimeter of the square. That is 4 into length of one side. If you take A as one side, then you can write the formula for the perimeter as 4 into A, or if you take L as one side, then you can write it as 4 into L. But here I am writing like this. That is 4 into length of one side, that is equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore, side equal to 44 centimeter. Now, since in the LHS here it is a multiplication, in the RHS it will be a division. So, 4 will be in the denominator here. Now, we can divide the numerator and denominator by 4. So, here we get 4 divided by 4, it will be 1 here. Here also 4 divided by 4, it is 1. And in the denominator also 4 divided by 4, it is 1. So 11 divided by 1, that is equal to 11 centimeter. That is length of each sides of the square, that is equal to 11 centimeter. Next, for finding which figure encloses more area, we have to compare the areas of these figures. For that, we have to find the area of the square also. So, let us write area of the square equal to, formula is side into side, that is equal to, side we got it as 11 centimeter. So we can write 11 centimeter into 11 centimeter, that is equal to 11 11s are 121 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. So area of the square is 121 centimeter square. Next, let us compare both the areas. Here area of the square, it is 121 centimeter square, and area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Which is greater here? 154 centimeter square, is it? So let us write, since 154 centimeter square which is greater than 121 centimeter square, the circle encloses more area. That is, here we have found solutions for all the questions, that is radius and area of the circle, length of each sides of the square, and finally the figure which encloses more area. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Here you can see, this is the circular card sheet of radius 14 cm. And these are the circles of radius 3.5 cm. And this is the rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm. And according to the question, when we remove these two circles and this rectangle from this card, we get a shape like this. That is, after removing these three shapes, this is the remaining sheet we get, and we have to find the area of this sheet. Now, how to find the area of this shape? Can we use the formula pi r square? No, because pi r square is the formula for finding the area of a circle. Here you can see some parts from the interior are removed. So we cannot use the formula pi r square. Then how to get this area? This is a bit similar to the fifth question of this exercise. Do you remember that question? The question was, from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. How we had found the area of the remaining sheet? For this, first we found the area of the larger sheet, then area of the smaller sheet. After that, for getting the area of the remaining sheet from the area of the larger sheet, we have subtracted the area of the smaller sheet. So, here also we will do the same. That is, first we will find the area of this circular card sheet. Then, for getting the area of this remaining sheet from the area of this circular card sheet, we have to subtract the areas of these three figures. Now, let us solve. First, let us find the area of this circular card sheet. First, let us write radius of the circular card sheet. Equal to, it is given 14 centimeter. Area of the circular card sheet. That is equal to, since it is a circle, the formula is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, pi is 22 by 7. So we can substitute the values, that is 22 by 7 into r is 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Here we can divide 7 and 14 by 7. 7 divided by 7, it is 1. 14 divided by 7, it is 2. That is equal to 22 divided by 1. That is 22 into, here it is 2 centimeter into 14 centimeter. That is equal to 22 into 2. It is 44 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Now let us multiply 44 into 14. 4 fours are 16. Again 4 fours are 16. 16 plus 1, 17. 1 fours are 4. 1 fours are 4. Adding 6, 11, 6. That is equal to 616 centimeter into centimeter. It is centimeter square. That is, area of the circular card sheet is 616 centimeter square. Next, we will find the area of the smaller circle. Radius of the smaller circle equal to equal to 3.5 centimeter. Area of the smaller circle equal to, we know the formula is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 3.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. Now let us multiply 3.5 and 3.5. For that, multiply 35 and 35. That is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 1225. Now we have to put the decimal here. Here you can see after the decimal there is only one digit. Here also one digit. So total 2 digits. That is, from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. Next, let us divide 12.25 by 7. 1 sevens are 7. When we subtract, we get 5 here. Next, we have to bring down 2. Before that, here there is a decimal, so put a decimal here also. Then bring down 2. Now it is 52. We know 7 sevens are 49. Now subtract. When we subtract, we get 3 here. Next, we have to bring down 5. 5 sevens are 35. When we subtract, we get 0. That is equal to 22 multiplied by 1.75. Now we have to multiply 22 and 1.75. For that, first let us multiply 175 by 22. After that, we will put the decimal. 175 multiplied by 22. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1. 15. Again 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1. 3. Here also we get the same. Adding 0, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 3. That is equal to 3850. Now we have to put the decimal. Here you can see after the decimal there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. So area of the smaller circle is 38.50 centimeter square. Next, we have to find the area of this rectangle. So, let us find. Here, length of the rectangle equal to 3 centimeter. Breadth of the rectangle equal to 1 centimeter. Now, area of the rectangle equal to, what is the formula for area? That is length into breadth. That is equal to length is 3 centimeter multiplied by breadth is 1 centimeter. That is equal to 3 centimeter square. Now we have found areas of all the figures separately. Next, we will find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet equal to, how to get? That is from the area of the circular sheet. If we subtract the area of these figures, we will get the area of this remaining shape. That is equal to area of the circular card sheet minus. Now, for subtracting the areas of these 3 shapes, you can subtract these areas separately, or you can add these areas, and after that you can subtract that sum from this area. Here I am going to subtract separately. That is, here we have to subtract the area of this circle and this circle and this rectangle. But here you can see these 2 circles are having the same area. So instead of subtracting 2 times, it is enough to multiply area of one circle by 2. So let us write area of the circular card sheet minus 2 into area of the circle minus area of the rectangle. that is equal to, what is area of the circular cut sheet? Here it is 616 centimeter square. That is 616 centimeter square minus 2 into, what is the area of the circle? It is 38.5. 38.5 centimeter square minus area of the rectangle is 3 centimeter square. So 3 centimeter square. That is equal to 616 centimeter square minus, now let us multiply this, that is 385 multiplied by 2. That is 2 into 38.5, that is equal to 770. Now we have to put the decimal. Here we can see after the decimal only one digit is there. So from the rightmost digit count 1, decimal comes here. That much centimeter square, then minus 3 centimeter square. That is equal to, now we have to subtract 77 from 616. Or you can add 77 and 3 because both are having minus sign here. So we can add these two, and after that we can subtract that from 616. So we can write 616 centimeter square minus 77 plus 3. It is 80. So 80 centimeter square. Now let us subtract 80 from 616. Six minus 0, 6. Here it is 1, so we have to borrow from 6, that is here becomes 5 and here it is 11. So 11 minus 8, it is 3, then 5. That is equal to 536 centimeters square. Therefore, we can write area of the remaining sheet equal to 536 centimeters square. Or you can do like this also, that is area of the remaining sheet, that is equal to area of the circular card sheet minus, here if you add areas of these three shapes, then you have to put this in the bracket like this. That is, here it is the area of the rectangle and this is the area of one circle, and for getting the area of two circles we have to multiply this with 2. So when we do this we will get, this is 77, and when we add 77 plus 3 it is 80. Then when we subtract 80 from 616, it is 536 centimeters square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? That is, here we have to find the area of the leftover aluminium sheet. And how we are getting this sheet? That is, when we cut off a circle of radius 2 cm from an aluminium sheet which is of square in shape and its side length is 6 cm. Okay, let us picturize this. Suppose this is the aluminium sheet and it is given its side is 6 cm. And this is the circle of radius 2 cm which we have to cut out from this square. Now let us check what shape we are going to get. when we remove this circle from this square. Now, how to get the area of this sheet? Can we use the formula for finding the area of a square? Is it a square? No. Now it is not a square because from the interior we have removed some parts here. So we cannot use the formula for finding the area of a square. So how to get the area? Let us go back and again check how we got this shape. Listen, now it is a square. And when we remove this circular part from this square, we get this shape. So, for getting the area of this sheet, we can follow the same concept. That is, from the area of this square, when we subtract the area of this circle, we get the area of this sheet. Got it? Now, for finding the area of this shape, now it is a square, so we can use the formula for finding the area of a square. We know the formula, area of a square equal to side into side. Here, side is 6 centimeter. So, 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Now, what is the formula for finding the area of a circle? We know it is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. R is the radius. It is given here 2 centimeter. Substituting these values, we can find the area of this circle. And from the area of the square, when we subtract the area of the circle, we get the area of the shape. Now, let us do. First, let us write what are given here. Side of the square sheet. Equal to, it is given here 6 centimeter. Now, area of the square sheet equal to, we know the formula, it is side into side. That is equal to, side is given 6 centimeter into 6 centimeter. That is equal to 6 6 are 36 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. This is the area of this aluminium square sheet. Next, we have to find the area of the circle. So, first let us write radius of the circle. That is equal to 2 centimeter. Now, area of the circle equal to, we know the formula, it is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. That is equal to, pi is here given 3.14. That is 3.14 into r is 2 centimeter. That is 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. That is equal to 3.14 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 centimeter into centimeter, it is centimeter square. Next, we have to multiply 3.14 and 4. So, let us do 314 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 3s are 12. That is 314 multiplied by 4. It is 1, 2, 5, 6. Next, we have to mark the decimal. For marking the decimal, you have to check the number of digits after the decimal. Here you can see after this decimal, there are 2 digits. So, from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. So, the decimal comes here. So it becomes 12.56 that much centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Next we have to find the area of the leftover aluminium sheet. Therefore, area of the leftover aluminium sheet, that is equal to, we know how we are getting this area, that is we have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the square. So we can write area of the square sheet minus area of the circle, that is equal to area of the square sheet is 36 centimeter square. 36 centimeter square minus area of the circle is 12.56 centimeter square. 12.56 centimeter square. Here, this is a whole number and this is a decimal number. So for doing this subtraction, both these numbers should be like decimals. That means here in this number, you can see 2 digits after the decimal. So here also, after the decimal, we need 2 digits. So we can write 36 as 36.00. Now let us subtract. We can write 36 as 36.00 minus 12.56. Here we have to write the digits in the correct place. Now when we do subtraction here, you can see both the digits are zeros. So we have to go to the third digit, that is 6 here. And we have to borrow 1 from this 6. When we borrow 1 from this 6 becomes 5, and we can write that 1 here and this 0 here like this. Again, next digit is also 0. So we have to borrow 1 from this 10. And when we borrow 1 from this 10, this becomes 9. And we can write here that 1 and this 0. Now let us subtract. 10 minus 6, it is 4. 9 minus 5, it is 4. Now put the decimal here. 5 minus 2, it is 3. 3 minus 1, it is 2. That is equal to 23.44 centimeter square. This is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet, and that is what we have to find here. Hope you understood this. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. That is, here circumference of a circle is given as 31.4 centimeter. What we have to find out here? First, we have to find out the radius of this circle, after that area. How to do this? Suppose this is the given circle, and here circumference of this circle is given, is it? So what is circumference? Circumference means length of boundary, that is this much length. Here it is given as 31.4 centimeter. So here circumference C equal to 31.4 centimeter. And what we have to find out here? First we have to find out the radius of this circle. And what is radius here? Radius means this length. That is, here first we have to find out this length. Now, what is the formula for finding the circumference? We can use pi d or 2 pi r, isn't? Now, In this formula pi d, what is d? D is the diameter of the circle, that is this much length. And we know diameter is double the radius, that is 2 times radius is diameter. So in this formula pi d, instead of d we can write 2r, that is 2 into r. So this pi d becomes 2 pi r. We get 2 pi r. So here for the circumference we will use the formula 2 pi r because we have to find the radius here. So for circumference we can write the formula 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r equal to 31.4 centimeter. Solving this we will get the radius. Next we have to find the area. How to find the area? What is the formula for finding the area? We know the formula is pi r square. That is pi into r into r. Substituting these values, we will get the area. I have already uploaded videos regarding circumference and area. If you want, you can go through those. Now let us solve. First, let us write what is given here. That is circumference of the circle equal to 31.4 centimeter. So here we can write the formula, that is 2 pi r, that is equal to 31.4 centimeter. 2 pi r means 2 into pi into r, that is equal to 31.4 centimeter. Here we have to find radius, isn't it? So we have to write r alone in the LHS. That is r is equal to, first let us write whatever is in the right hand side, that is 31.4 centimeter. Now we have to move 2 and pi from the left hand side to the right hand side. Since it is a multiplication in the left hand side, it will be a division in the right hand side. So 2 and pi will be in the denominator in the right hand side. So it will be 31.4 divided by 2 into pi. That is equal to 31.4 divided by 2 into pi is, here it is 3.14. Now to simplify this, just check the numbers in the numerator and the denominator. In the numerator you can see it is 31.4 and in the denominator 3.14. That is, both these numbers are having same digits. So here division will be easy. For doing this division, what we have to do is first check the decimal number in the denominator and convert that to a whole number. If there are 2 digits after the decimal, then multiply with 100. If there is only 1 digit after the decimal, then multiply with 10. Here there are 2 digits after the decimal, so multiply the denominator with 100. The same we have to do in the numerator also. So it becomes 31.4 centimeter divided by 2 into 3.14. Now multiply both the denominator and numerator by 100. This will be equal to, for multiplying 31.4 and 100, first write the digits as it is, that is 314. Then write 2 zeros to the right of this number. Now for putting the decimal, check the number of digits after the decimal. Here it is only 1, so from the rightmost digit count 1 to the left and put the decimal here. That much centimeter divided by 2 into, here also the same only. So write the same digits, that is 314, then write 2 zeros. Since there are 2 digits after the decimal in the product, from the rightmost digit to the left, count 1, 2. Decimal comes here. That is equal to 3140 centimeter divided by 2 into 314. Now it is easy to divide 3140 by 314. Or we can write this as 314 into 10. When we multiply this, we get 3140. So that much centimeter divided by 2 into 314. Now it is easy. We can divide numerator and denominator by 314. So we get, this will be equal to 10 centimeter divided by 2. 10 by 2, it is 5. So we get 5 centimeter. What is this 5 centimeter? It is the radius of this circle. This is what we had to find first. That is, we got the solution for the first part. Next we have to find the area of this circle. And we already know the formula. So we can write area of the circle equal to pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to pi, here it is 3.14 into radius, that is 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter, that is equal to 3.14 into 5 5s are 25 centimeter into centimeter square. Now we have to multiply 3.14 and 25. For this, let us multiply 314 and 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Adding 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 1, 7. So here 314 into 25, we get it as 7850. Next we have to put the decimal. So here there are 2 digits after the decimal. So from the rightmost digit to the left, count 1, 2, put the decimal here. That much centimeter square. This area of this circle is 78.50 centimeter square. In this question we had to find radius and area of this circle. We got the radius as 5 centimeter and area 78.50 centimeter square. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? So what is given here? Suppose this is the circular flower bed and its diameter is given as 66 meter. Also given, this flower bed is surrounded by a path like this and its width is 4 meter. And what we have to find out here? Here we have to find out the area of this path. Now how to find the area of this path? We know for finding the area of any figure, we should know its shape, isn't? So here let us check the shape of this path. This is the shape we get. And now how to find the area? Can we use the formula for finding the area of a circle? No, because here some interior portion is removed. That is, now it is not a circle, so we cannot use that formula. Then how to find? Already we have done similar questions. So here also we will follow the same method. So what we can do here? If we consider the flower bed and the path together like this, we get a circular shape, isn't? Now since it is a circle, we can find the total area. Now if we consider the flower bed only, it is also a circular in shape, so we can find its area also. And from the area of the larger circle, if we subtract the area of the smaller circle, we will get the area of the path. Okay, now let us do. When we consider the flower bed and the path together, we get a larger circle like this. And since it is a circle, we can find its area. What is the formula? It is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. Here we know pi is 3.14. Now what about radius? That is r. That is radius of the larger circle. It is this much length. Here in this question, this radius is not given. But here, diameter of the flower bed is given. It is 66 meter. Now how to get the radius of this larger circle? Any idea? Okay, let us ask somebody. Here I am going to introduce one person. He is Chichu. Let us ask him. Hi Chichu, do you know the radius of this larger circle?
The radius of the larger circle is 37 meters.
Chichu, how did you get the radius as 37 meters? Can you explain?
Diameter of the flower bed is equal to 66 meters.
Yes, we know diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter.
Radius of the flower bed is equal to 33 meters.
Since diameter is 66, radius will be half of it, that is 33 meter. So this much length, it is 33 meter. Diameter means this full length, it is 66. So radius will be half of it, that is 33 meter. That is from here to here. But for getting the radius of the larger circle, we need this length also. How to get it?
Width of the path is equal to 4 meters.
Chichu tells it is nothing but the width of the path. Here it is given as 4 meter. So this length will be 4 meter. So radius of this larger circle will be sum of the radius of this flower bed and width of this path. That is how Chichu got.
Radius of the larger circle is equal to 33 meters plus 4 meters, which is equal to 37 meters.
Hope you got this. So when we substitute the values here, that is pi into r, that is 3.14 into 37 meter into 37 meter. When we do this, we will get the area of this larger circle. Now, for getting the area of the smaller circle, that is area of the flower bed, we know it is also in circular shape. So for finding the area, we can use the formula pi r square. That is pi into r, that is equal to pi is 3.14 into radius, we know it is 33 meter. So 33 meter into 33 meter. Doing this, we will get the area of the smaller circle. After that, from the area of the larger circle, if we subtract the area of the smaller circle, we will get the area of the path. Okay, let us start. Here first, let us find the area of the smaller circle, that is area of the flower bed. Diameter of the smaller circle. That is equal to 66 meter. So, radius of the smaller circle equal to radius is half of the diameter. That is 66 meter divided by 2. That is equal to 33 meter. Now, area of the smaller circle equal to, we know formula is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r, that is equal to pi is 3.14 into r is 33 meter into 33 meter. Next we have to multiply all these. First let us multiply 33 and 33. That is 33 into 33. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again we will get the same number, that is 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Adding 9. 9 plus 9 18. 9 plus 1 10. That is equal to 3.14 into 33 into 33. It is 1089. So it is 3.14 into 1089. Meter into meter, meter square. Next we have to multiply 3.14 and 1089. That is 1089 into 314. 4 9s are 36. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 4 0 0 0 plus 3, 3. 4 1s are 4. Next we have to multiply with 1, so we get the same number, that is 9 8 0 1. Now 3 9s are 27. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 2, 26. 3 0 0. 0 plus 2 2. 3 1s are 3. Adding 6. 9 plus 5 14. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 3 18. Plus 1 19. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Then 3. So the product is 3 4 1 9 4 6. Next we have to put the decimal. For that, count the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. There are 2 digits, so in the answer from the rightmost digit count 1 2. Decimal comes here. That much meter square. So this is the area of the smaller circle. Next let us find the area of the larger circle. Let us write radius of the larger circle equal to, here in this question there are 2 radii. So in such questions, for denoting these, we can use R1, R2 or capital R, small r like that. But here I am using the same small r for both the radii. So radius of the larger circle is 37 meter. How we got this? It is already explained. Now area of the larger circle. Here larger circle means the flower bed and the path both together. So that is equal to, we know the formula, it is pi r square, that is pi into r into r, that is equal to, here pi is 3.14 into radius is 37 meter into 37 meter. First let us multiply 37 and 37. That is 37 into 37. 7 sevens are 49. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 3 sevens are 21. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Adding 9, 6, 3, 1. That is equal to 3.14 into 1369. That is 1369 meter into meter. It is meter square. Next we have to multiply 3.14 and 1369. That is 1369 into 314. 4 nines are 36. 4 6 are 24 plus 3, 27. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Next we have to multiply with 1. So the same number will be that is 9, 6, 3, 1. Now 3 nines are 27. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Now adding 6. 9 plus 7, 16. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 4, 17 plus 1, 18. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 1, 2, 4. That is equal to 4, 2, 9, 8, 6, 6. Next, for putting the decimal, count the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. There are 2 digits. So, from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. So, decimal comes here. That much meter square. That is 4298.66 meters square. This is the area of the larger circle. Next, what we have to find out? We have to get the area of the path. For getting that area, what we have to do? From the area of the larger circle, we have to subtract the area of the smaller circle. So, let us do. Therefore, area of the path equal to, how to get the area? Area of the larger circle minus area of the smaller circle. That is equal to, what is the area of the larger circle? It is 4298.66 meters square. So we can write 4298.66 meters square minus, what about the area of the smaller circle? It is 3419.46 meters square. That is 3419.46 meters square. Next we have to subtract. That is 4298.66 minus 3419.46. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 4, it is 2. Now for subtracting 9 from 8, we have to borrow from 9. That is 9 becomes 8 and 8 becomes 18. Now 18 minus 9, it is 9. 8 minus 1, it is 7. Again we have to borrow 1 from the 4. So 4 becomes 3. 2 becomes 12. Now 12 minus 4, it is 8. 3 minus 3, it is 0. That is equal to 879 33.20 meters square. That is, area of the path is equal to 879.20 meters square. This is what we have to find. Or you can solve this question like this also. Here I have denoted radius of the larger circle as R1 and radius of the smaller circle as R2. And we know area of the path, it is equal to area of the larger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Next, for writing the formula, we have to write pi R1 square for the area of the larger circle and pi R2 square for the area of the smaller circle. Here when we substitute the values, for R1 we have to write 37 meter and for R2 33 meter. On simplifying, we get 879.20 meters square. Or again, we can denote the radius of the larger circle as capital R and radius of the smaller circle as small r. Then how to write the formula? For the larger circle, area will be pi into radius is capital R. So pi r square minus for the smaller circle, pi into small r square. Like this you have to write. The remaining part is the same only. For capital R, we have to write 37 meter and for small r, 33 meter. On simplifying, we will get the answer. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? So, what is given here? Suppose this is the circular garden. Its area is given. It is 314 meters square. Also, you can see a sprinkler at the center of the garden. Here the question is, will this sprinkler water the entire garden? How to do this? Here I am going to introduce two people, Achu and Taki. Let us ask them how to solve this. When I asked, Achu said we can solve this by comparing the areas, while Taki said by comparing the radii. Let us see who is right. First, let us do it Achu's way. That is, here Achu said we can solve this by comparing the areas. Here, area of the garden is given. Now, with which area we have to compare this area? That is, here we have to compare this area, that is area of the garden, with the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. Suppose this is the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. Will it water the entire garden? No, because area of the garden is greater than this area, isn't? If this is the case, then what about the areas? Now both the areas are equal. So sprinkler will water the entire garden. And if the area that can be covered by the sprinkler is greater than the area of the garden, then also sprinkler will water the entire garden. That is, if the area that can be covered by the sprinkler is equal to the area of the garden or greater than the area of the garden, then the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Now for comparing the areas, already we have area of the garden. Next we have to get the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. We know the formula for finding the area. It is pi r square. That is equal to pi, it is 3.14 into r square means r into r. And r is the radius. It is given. Radius is 12 meters. So 12 meters into 12 meters. Doing this, we will get the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. And if this area is equal or greater than the area of the garden, the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Next, let us do this Taki's way. Here Taki said we can solve this by comparing the radii. Here we know the radius, that is the radius of the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. It is 12 meters, and we have to compare this radius with the radius of the garden. So for getting the radius of the garden, let us go back to Achu's way. That is, if both the areas are equal or the area that can be covered by the sprinkler is greater than the area of the garden, then the sprinkler will water the entire garden, isn't? If both the areas are equal, then what about the radii? Both radii will be equal. That is, radius of the garden also will be 12 meters. And if the area that can be covered by the sprinkler is greater than the area of the garden, then the radius of the garden will be less than 12 meters. That is, if the radius of the garden is equal to 12 meters or less than 12 meters, then the sprinkler will water the entire garden. And now how to get the radius of the garden? Here we have area of the garden equal to 314 meters square. So here we will write the formula for area, that is pi r square equal to 314 meters square, that is equal to 3.14 into r square equal to 314 meters square. We have to find radius, so keep r square here itself, that will be equal to 314 meters square divided by 3.14. Doing this, we will get the value of r, that is radius. And if this radius is equal to 12 meters or less than 12 meters, then the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Okay, let us start solving. First, let us solve Achu's way. Area of the circular garden equal to 314 meters square. Here we are going to compare the areas. So next we have to find the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. For that, first let us write the radius, and that radius I write like this, that is given as 12 meters. Next let us find the area, that is the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. That is equal to, what is the formula? It is pi r square. That is equal to, pi is 3.14 into r square is r into r, and radius is here 12 meters. So it will be 12 meters into 12 meters. That is equal to 3.14 into 12 12s are 144. That is 144 meter into meter, it is meter square. Next we have to multiply 314 and 144. That is 314 into 144. 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 3s are 12. Again multiplying with 4, so we can write the same, that is 6 5 2 1. Next we have to multiply with 1, so it will be 4 1 3. Now adding 6 plus 5 11, 4 plus 5 9, and plus 2 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, plus 1 5, 3 plus 1 4. That is equal to 4, 5, 2, 1, 6. Next, for putting the decimal, check the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. That is, there are 2 digits after the decimal. So, in the answer from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. Decimal comes here. That much meter square. That is the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. It is 452.16 meter square. Now, let us compare the areas. Here, area of the circular garden is 314 meter square. And the area that can be covered by the sprinkler is 452.16 meter square. Which area is greater? This area is greater, isn't? So we can write, since the area that can be covered by the sprinkler, that is 452.16 meter square, which is greater than the area of the circular garden, that is 314 meter square. The sprinkler will water the entire garden. Next, let us do this Turkey's way. Turkey said to compare the radii. Here already we have one radius, that is 12 meters. Next, we have to find the radius of the garden. So, let us write radius. This is the radius of the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. That is equal to 12 meters. Next, we have to find the radius of the garden. For that, first let us write area of the circular garden. Equal to 314 meter square. Now let us write the formula, that is pi r square, that is equal to 314 meter square. Pi is 3.14, so 3.14 into r square. You write r square as it is, that is equal to 314 meter square. We have to find radius here, so keep r square here itself. It will be equal to 314 meter square. Next, we have to transpose 3.14 to RHS. Since here it is a multiplication, in the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. So, 314 meter square divided by 3.14. Now, we have to divide 314 by 3.14. That is equal to, for doing this division, in the denominator, since it is a decimal number, we have to convert this to whole number. For this, we have to check the number of digits after the decimal. Here you can see after the decimal there are 2 digits, that is 1 and 4. Now to convert this to whole number, since there are 2 digits after the decimal, we have to multiply this number with 100. So denominator will be 3.14 into 100. Then we have to multiply numerator also with 100. That is 314 into 100. That much meter square. That is equal to, now to multiply 3.14 with 100, write the digits as it is, that is 3, 1, 4. After the digit 4, write 2 zeros. Next, we have to put the decimal. For that, check the number of digits after the decimal. There are 2 digits, so from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. Decimal comes here. In the numerator, it will be 3, 1, 4, then For multiplying with 100, write 2 zeros. That much meter square. That is equal to 31,400 divided by 314. That much meter square. That is equal to, here we can cancel 314 and 314. Or we can write this again as 314 into 100, that is 31,400 is the same as 314 into 100 divided by 314. Now we can cancel 314 and 314. So it will be equal to 100 meter square. That is r square equal to 100 meter square. Now r square means r into r. But here we have to get r only, that is value of r. For that we have to find out the square root of this. For getting this we can do prime factorization, that is 100. For this division we have to use prime numbers only. Since 100 is an even number, we can divide this by 2. Since 1 is smaller than 2, take the next digit also, that is 0. So we get 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Then bring down 0. Now it is 50. Since 50 is an even number, we can divide this by 2. But here I am dividing this by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. Then bring down 0. Again we can divide this by 5. 10 divided by 5, it is 2. Now we can divide this by 2. That is 2 divided by 2, it is 1. So here the prime factorization of 100 is 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. That is r square equal to 100, that is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. This r square we can write it as r into r, that is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 2. But we need the value of r only. So r will be equal to, for these 2 2's write 1 2, and for these 2 5's write 1 5. That is r will be equal to 2 5's are 10. Or you can write like this also, r into r, that is r square is r into r. And we can split 100 as 10 into 10, that is 10 tens are 100. So it will be 10 meters into 10 meters. Now we need r only, that is r will be equal to 10 meters. That is radius of the garden is 10 meters. Now let us compare the radii. Here radius of the garden is 10 meters, and which is less than the radius of the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. So let us write, since 10 meters which is less than 12 meters, that is radius of the garden which is less than the radius of the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. Sprinkler will water the entire garden. That is, we have solved this sum by comparing the areas and by comparing the radii. And in both the cases, we got the same result. That is, the sprinkler will water the entire garden. That is, both of their methods are correct. Now, let me solve this by Chichu's way. It is also by comparing the areas. We know area of the circular garden is 314 meters square. We have to compare this area with the area that can be covered by the sprinkler. We know the formula is pi r square. Substituting the values, we get 3.14 into 12 meters into 12 meters. That is, here the radius is 12 meters. Now 12 into 12. It is 144. So we get 3.14 into 144 meter square. Now let us compare the areas. Since here it is 3.14, let me write this 314 as 3.14 into 100. 3.14 into 100 is the same as 314. Now it is easy to compare. Here it is 3.14 into 100. Here it is 3.14 into 144. Which is greater? Since 144 is greater than 100, the area that can be covered by the sprinkler, it is greater. So sprinkler will water the entire garden. When you solve this sum, you can choose any of these methods. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. Here, in this figure, you can see the outer and inner circles. We have to find the circumference of these circles. Now, what is circumference? Circumference is the boundary length. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? If diameter of the circle is given, then we can use the formula pi into d. If radius is given, then we can use 2 pi r. Here, two measurements are given. One is 10 meters and the other is 19 meters. Are these radii or diameters? Here you can see 19 meters. It is the radius of the outer circle, isn't it? So we can find the circumference of the outer circle, that is C equal to 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into, here pi is given as 3.14 into radius. It is here 19 meters. Simplifying this, we will get the circumference of this outer circle. Now what about the inner circle? How to get its radius or diameter? Here, radius of this inner circle is this much length and we need to get this length. How to get this length? We know this total length is 19 meters and from this 19 meters, if we subtract this much length, then we will get the radius of this circle. Now, what about this length? It is nothing but 10 meters. So, here radius of the inner circle will be 19 meters minus 10 meters, that is equal to 9 meters. Therefore, circumference will be 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into r is 9 meters. Simplifying this, we will get the circumference of this inner circle. Okay, let us do. Radius of the outer circle equal to 19 meters circumference of the outer circle equal to, formula is 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 19 meters. Now we have to multiply this, that is equal to, first we can multiply 2 and 19. 2 19s are 38. So we can write 3.14 into 38 meters. Now we have to multiply 314 and 38. 314 into 38. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 3s are 24. 24. plus 1, 25. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 3s are 9. Adding 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. That is equal to 11932. Next we have to put the decimal. For that, check the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. There are 2 digits, so from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. That much meters. That is, circumference of the outer circle is 119.32 meters. Next, we have to find the circumference of the inner circle. So first let us write radius of the inner circle equal to, what is the radius? It is 19 meters minus 10 meters, that is equal to 9 meters. Now, circumference of the inner circle equal to, formula is 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is 3.14 into radius is 9 meters. That is equal to, first let us multiply 2 and 9. 2 9s are 18. So it will be 3.14 into 18 meters. Now let us multiply 314 and 18. 314 into 18. 8 4s are 32. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. Adding 2, 5, 6. 3 plus 2, it is 5. That is equal to 5652. Now we have to put the decimal. For that, count the number of digits after the decimal here. There are 2 digits, so in the product from the rightmost digit count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. That much meters. That is, circumference of the inner circle is 56.52 meters. That is, here we got the circumference of the inner and outer circles. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeters must rotate to go 352 meters? Suppose this is a wheel and its radius is 28 centimeters. Here we have to find how many times this wheel must rotate to go 352 meters. Let us rotate the wheel. Here I have marked a point on the wheel so that it will be easy to understand each rotation. And here you can see the point touches the line. Now start rotating the wheel. Here you can see the point touches the line again. That means it has completed one rotation. And what will be the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation? It is the boundary length, isn't it? That means the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. It will be the circumference of the wheel. And what is the formula for finding the circumference? We know it is 2 pi r. Now let us rotate the wheel again. The wheel has completed second rotation. And what will be the distance covered by the wheel in this second rotation? It is also circumference. that is 2 pi r. Then what will be the distance covered by the wheel from the starting point to this point? That is, here the distance covered is 2 pi r. Here also 2 pi r. So from the starting point to this point, it will be 2 times circumference, that is 2 into 2 pi r. Here we have to find the number of times the wheel must rotate to go a distance of 352 meters. How to find it? Let me say one example. Suppose cost of one apple is 5 rupees. Then how many apples we can get for 20 rupees? How to get? We know number of apples will be total amount, that is 20 rupees, divided by cost for one apple, it is 5 rupees. It will be 20 divided by 5, it is equal to 4. That is, we can get 4 apples. In the same way, for getting the number of rotations by the wheel, it is enough to divide 352 meters, that is the total distance, by the distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. That is the circumference of the wheel, that is 2 pi r. Simplifying this, we will get the answer. Okay, let us do. Radius of the wheel equal to 28 centimeters. Distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. That is equal to circumference of the wheel. That is equal to 2 pi r. We will substitute the values later. Total distance to go by the wheel equal to 352 meters. Therefore, number of times the wheel must rotate to go 352 meters equal to total distance divided by distance covered in one rotation. That is equal to total distance is 352 meters divided by distance covered in one rotation is circumference of the wheel. It is 2 pi r. That is equal to 352 meters divided by 2 into pi. Here it is 22 by 7 into r. Radius, it is 28 centimeters. For doing this division, either we have to convert centimeter to meter or meter to centimeter. Here I am converting meter to centimeter. That is equal to 352. Now to convert meter to centimeter, it is enough to multiply with 100. That much centimeters divided by 2 into 22 by 7 into 28 centimeters. That is equal to 352 into 100 centimeters divided by 2 into 28 centimeters. Now, in the denominator, it is a fraction. So, what we have to do? Take the reciprocal of this. It is 7 divided by 22. And here it will be into 7 by 22. Here, since 352, it is an even number, I am going to divide this 352 and this 2 by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, it is 1. Now, 3 divided by 2, 1 2s are 2. So, write 1 here. Here we get a remainder 1. So, with that one, we have to write the next digit. It is 5. Now, it is 15. And 15 divided by 2, 7 2s are 14. So, here we get 7. Again, 1 remainder. So, write 1 and now this 2. Now, it is 12. 12 divided by 2, it is 6. So, here we get 176. That is 176. Next, we can divide 7 and 28 by 7 because 28 is a multiple of 7. So, here 7 divided by 7, it is 1. 28 divided by 7, it is 4. Again, we can divide this 4 and 176 by 4. But let me write that is equal to 176 into 100 centimeters divided by 4 centimeters into 22. Now let us divide 4 and 176 by 4. That is 4 divided by 4. It is 1. Here 17 divided by 4. That is 4 4s are 16. 1 remainder. So write 1 here and next digit is 6. So write like this. Now it is 16. 16 divided by 4. It is 4. Now we can divide 22 and 44 or write again that is equal to 44 into 100 centimeters divided by 22 centimeters. That is 1 into 22, it is 22 centimeters. Now we can cancel 22 and 44 by 11. 22 divided by 11, it is 2. 44 divided by 11, it is 4. Now we can divide this 4 and 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2, it is 1. 4 divided by 2, it is 2. That is equal to 2 into 100 centimeters divided by this 1 centimeter here. Cancel centimeter and centimeter. That is equal to 2 into 100 divided by 1. It is 200. Or you can do like this also. That is first multiply all the numbers in the numerator. Then multiply the numbers in the denominator. After that you can do the division. Let me say one more method. That is radius of the wheel equal to 28 centimeters. Distance covered by the wheel in one rotation. It is the circumference of the wheel. So the formula is 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into pi into r. Here I am substituting the values here itself. That is 2 into pi is 22 by 7. Then radius is 28 centimeters. Here since 28 is a multiple of 7, we can divide 7 and 28 by 7. So 7 divided by 7 it is 1. 28 divided by 7 it is 4. That will be equal to 2 into 22 into 4 centimeters. 2 into 22 it is 44 into 4 centimeters. That is equal to, when we do this, we will get 176 centimeters. Now the total distance to go by the wheel, that is equal to 352 meters. Therefore, the number of times the wheel must rotate to go 352 meters. It is equal to total distance divided by distance covered in one rotation. Total distance is 352 meters and distance covered in one rotation, it is 176 meters. For doing this division, units should be same. So here I am going to convert this meter to centimeter. So 352 meters, it will be 352 into 100 centimeters, then divided by 176 centimeters. We can cancel centimeter here. Next, you can multiply 352 into 100, then you can divide that by 176, or we can divide 352 by 176. Here you can divide the numerator and denominator by 2 or by 4 like that, or you can do long division. And when we divide 352 by 176, we get 2. So it will be 2 into 100. That is equal to 200. So we can write the wheel must rotate 200 times to go a distance of 352 meters. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 cm long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Here you can see a circular clock, and this is the minute hand, and its length is given. It is 15 cm. Here we have to find how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour. How to solve this? 1 hour means 60 minutes. We know in 60 minutes the minute hand will make one complete rotation, isn't? That means in 1 hour the tip of the minute hand makes one complete rotation. Then what about the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand? It is nothing but the circumference. So, for finding the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour, it is enough to find the circumference. Okay, let us do. Length of the minute hand. Equal to 15 centimeters. Distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour equal to, it is the circumference of the clock. That is equal to, now what is the formula? Here length of the minute hand is given, it is 15 centimeter. That means it is the radius here. So we can use the formula 2 pi r, that is equal to 2 into pi is here 3.14. So 3.14 into radius is 15 centimeters. That is equal to, now let us multiply 2 and 15. 2 15s are 30. So we can write 3.14 into 30 centimeters. Now for multiplying 3.14 and 30, let us multiply 314 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 threes are 9. That is equal to 9, 4, 2. Now we have to put this 0 because we have multiplied with 3 only. 0. Next we have to put the decimal. For that, check the number of digits after the decimal in 3.14. We know there are 2 digits. So from the rightmost digit, count 1, 2. Put the decimal here. That much centimeters. That is equal to 94.2 centimeters. That is the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour. It is equal to 94.2 centimeters. Hope it is clear to you. This is the last question of this exercise. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.